Hi, everybody. One of the things that Goddess Magazine is doing is trying to extol the benefits and virtues of cannabis products, whether it's cannabis hemp oil, or cannabis as an adult use recreational product. So I'm super excited that today I'm doing an unboxing of Potency 710 skincare. It's a cannabis based skincare that I just know I'm going to love. So I just got this. I recently connected with Mandy Lele on LinkedIn. She's the founder and CEO of Potency 710. And I don't know how many of you know this, but you know how 420 means cannabis friendly, right? 710 is code for oil. So if you take 710 and you turn it upside down, it spells oil. So I thought you'd think that was interesting. So anyway, I'm excited to open my Potency 710 box. So let's open it together. You ready? Okay, let's go. Look! Oh, look! Can you see? Look at that beautiful packaging. I love packaging because it makes you feel special. It's like opening up a Christmas present or something like that. So I love this tissue, and we'll probably save it. Oh, look, this is the tissue. And then it has a little card in it, Potency 710. Okay, so it's a morning, weekly, PM. It's a regimen calendar. So it teaches you how to use the products to your best advantage. How cool is that? So I love that. I love this. Ooh, it smells good. Nice. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. Look at this. Oh my God, it's got, let me put this here so you can see. So anyway, so I want to show you what I got in this bloom box. This is really beautiful. So I'm going to see if I can turn it so you can see it. But check it out. Can you see? It's got 2 little bath bombs and some lip balm and some spray serum, and it has little rose buds in it. This is so beautiful and so girly. Take a look. Oh my God. I love it. And you know, like I say, I'm a big sucker for packaging because packaging is what makes it feel special. And it's like a gift that keeps on giving. So it's a gift when you open it, and it's a gift when you get to use all the stuff. But look at this. You see? Isn't that beautiful? And the whole thing smells so good. The whole thing smells like tea roses. Oh man. I bet you can put those in your bath water. So let's see what we got. We got gold serum, which is the gold serum. And it is 50 milligrams CBG, 100 milligrams CBD. And imagine it hydrates and prepares the skin. And then we've got Calm Down Bath Brick, fresh lavender floats, and this is a bath brick, like a bath bomb. Love taking baths. Wow. I don't know. Can you see? Oh, that's so pretty. Perfume. It's not a lip balm. Oh, it's so pretty. It smells like sandalwood and ylang ylang. So here it is. The Bloom box by Potency 710. And the perfume is crazy beautiful. Bloom box. You need to send a gift to somebody. You're pressed for time. Bloom box. You want to try some amazing cannabis infused skincare? Bloom box. Potency 710 cannabis infused skincare. Are you excited? I'm excited. So check out potency710.com. Let them know that you heard about it on Goddess Magazine. Okay. Bye for now.